Hi everyone, my name is Ankit. I'm sure you must have seen my last podcast on Survey CXM. If you have not seen the video till now, please watch it. Alright, so today I would be discussing on a feature, or you can say it's a USP of Survey CXM, which we call service recovery. In this vast world where competition has grown up and every brand is coming up with different products and services, this is very crucial and important to know what our customers are saying or experiencing. We will always have customers speaking positive about the services, and likewise we will always have customers speaking negative or customers who are dissatisfied with the services. This is important to analyze your dissatisfied customers and understand their concerns or pain areas. These customers will have a large impact on your products and services if not dealt with them in a proper manner. Here we bring our service recovery feature, which is a part of Survey CXM platform, which will help you retain your customers or their trust and confidence in your brand. With every detractor rating, example, in a net promoter score, we have dissatisfied customers who have rated us between 0 to 6. For these customers, we have a closed looping process wherein an alert will be generated on a real-time basis as soon as a detractor rating is captured in our Survey CXM tool. This rule can be customized based on your business need, whether you want to close loop all customers who have rated between 0 to 6, a lower rating, or you want to only close loop customers who have given a specific kind of a VOCs, which we call free text. System can even be modified, whether you want to focus on all detractors 0 to 6 or just critical customers who have rated us between 0 to 3. That's a business call that you can take. Okay, so the alert which is raised due to a detractor rating will be triggered to a respective target group, a stakeholder, or a respective relationship manager who is taking care of that particular customer, or you can say he's in charge. Example, we are measuring customer experience with a call center for one of the brands. Customers giving us a poor rating or a lower rating will activate or enable our system to trigger an alert. This alert will go to the supervisor or maybe a L2 for closed looping. How the closed looping process works. As soon as an alert is generated, an email will be triggered to the respective SPOC on his email address on his system. This pop-up or email will be a kind of an actionable on which he or she need to work or close loop. The SPOC will have the access to call customers and close the loop. The respective supervisor will have option to tag case and do a root cause analysis. This root cause analysis is tagged under product related issue, process related issue, people related issue, or any other issue. Let's take people related issue. As soon as the case is tagged, the SPOC will have further options to select basis the conversation he is doing with the customer or your dissatisfied customers. These options could be if the respective SPOC has selected people related issue, what in people related issue, it could be the behavior issue, wrong commitment made, call disconnection, understanding issue, or time taken to resolve, etc. Post the action is taken with respective team, customer can again be called and a follow-up rating can be taken. Thus, you have converted a detractor customer to a promoter customer. A lost trust is again retained. Hope you have understood the process. You may also opt for a demo on our Q Degrees website and experience our Survey CXM platform. Thank you for watching.